guys, and welcome to MV Media. Today's video, we're teaching my wife how to drive a car in reverse only, and hopefully this will help her with her parking skills, because she still has to think about it. She's a new driver. She has to stop, back up, stop, think about it again, turn the wheel, and so on and so forth. I hope you get it. So we're here in Aviator Airport. It's an abandoned airport to teach her how to drive in reverse. Go.
Go.
Keep it straight.
Not straight? No. I'm straight? No, I'm straight.
Turning the wheel with one hand, you put some pressure on top of the steering wheel and then turn. Don't grab the wheel. How's your neck?
Yes.
Does it hurt yet?
Yes.
Hey, why are we going backwards? This is weird. Driving in reverse is not as easy as she thought it would be. So I'm just trying to get her to make U-turns and then keep a straight line. Yeah, all in reverse. She's got it. Oh, kind of going. No, she didn't get it. Okay, so we're gonna try to get her to reverse through these cones here. No bloopers. I was really hoping she would hit it a little bit. The cones a little closer together, just to make it a little bit more difficult. Ooh, that is close. That is close. Entire video, I wanted my wife to hit those plastic squares, and she ends up doing a little bit, as you can see in the next shot. Round 4, I believe it is. Made these things even tighter, make it more difficult for her. Oh, she touched it. She touched it. You hit it a little bit. She stopped to go to the bathroom for the second time in like 10 minutes. So yeah, this is just, I'm having fun, she's having fun. She says her neck hurts because, you know, driving in reverse is not as easy. Just, you know, keeping your head back all the time with a hand over your shoulder. But practice makes perfect, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. This is you know, I think a good way to learn how to park better, because if you can drive a car where you want it in reverse, you can get the car to do anything you want, really. Okay, so when you're first starting out to, you know, drive and you want to look for a parking spot, you want to pull up and double park next to the spot that you think you want to park in, and you want to make sure that when you double park on the spot, it clears on both sides. And that way you know you have enough space to park in this spot, because sometimes people will try to back up into a parking spot that is too small. They will bump another car and be like, oh, I can't fit in here, and then drive off. So all you have to do is double park, check if you fit on both sides, and then you can attempt to park your car. Okay, so if you want to park your car, you're gonna drive your car up to the next car next to you, and you're gonna line up your passenger side mirror with the other car's mirror. Since we're using these squares here and no cars, we're kind of lining up our car a little bit right behind this car. The first step is to turn your wheel all the way to the right and start backing up until your car is at 45 degrees from this car. Right, so this is complete 90, 45 is half of that. So now our car is 45 degrees, you're gonna start backing up and approach the sidewalk. So a sidewalk, let's say, is the corner of this car right here, or this square, and then you're gonna turn your wheels all the way left to get into the spot. Then you can correct forward to the right, and you're finished.
It's the tight one. Mikey, it's tight. How come? Oh my goodness, how come? Oops! Oops! Hey, be careful with my baby! Make a space, yeah, make a space.
If you live in Brooklyn, this is how you park. You just move the car, give you enough space.
Enough space, that's it.
Because believe it or not, if you're not from Brooklyn, that's how people do it. So you want to make sure when you're parking, you leave enough space for both cars. Do not take up 2 spots, because your car will be moved. Well, not by me, I don't really do that. You know, this was just for show, but I've seen it done.
My wife.
And my wife will push it.
Yeah.
Push your car if you don't leave enough space.
Yes.
Thank you for watching, everybody. If you found this helpful or entertaining, I would appreciate a subscription. We're trying to reach a whole of 1,000 subscribers. Take care, everybody.